when do we need the weeding to be done in a gamla? When you start to see that small plants are coming up. You don't know about these plants in the soil that are coming out, and this requires weeding. So what you can do is you can easily either do it by hand, or you have a special tool that comes along which needs to get work in this style to get these little small plants not to grow in the soil. And weeding actually helps you to air the soil so that proper air is reached till the roots of the plant. And so this flower is a portulaca plant. It's like a small bush and actually suits well to the hanging gamlas or hanging vases. So the one of the hanging vases I will show you in the video. This is portulaca and it comes in various variety and colors: pink, light yellow, dark pink, red. So this is the variety I'm talking about, the color. So this color appears to be dark pink. This is the yellow color. This one, which is still running and going on, is petunia plant. It grows very well in the winters and it also comes in lot of colors. So here I can see the weed is required. Weeding is needed to be done, but this is the watering time. I cannot do it right now. He is the morning guest that comes here very often. If you have a very good garden of flowers, then there is no need to cage the birds. So he's not scared of me, although he's injured. He has his one wing, which I think he's hurt or injured something, but he comes here every morning. So there is no need, you can always welcome birds. I'm just filling my bucket to water the plants. Standing right here with him. He's not scared of me. Well, this is the chili plant at home. Now it's grown up and it is giving a lot of fruit to me. Fruit is actually a God's gift. If you can grow your own food, it is the best thing in life that you can do. So over here I am practicing to grow my own food, and I also have plans to buy a farm for myself, an acre of land to do farming and stuff, because I have the talent to do things of my own. And so at home, from this in harvest, I have harvested some chilies. I can show you the number of chilies that I've got from the harvest. So I've got this many of chilies in 5 days time, and even still I can see the flowers are coming, and they'll be changing to the chilies, as you can see this, and they'll be changing to the chilies. And further I've also planted some new plants for the chilies, and there. So I left these chilies in the sun in a room. I have a green room. I left these chilies in the green room. Still you can see that they are not deteriorated, they are not damaged, right? They are not blackened. They are still the same as fresh. So really you can do little things for yourself at home by growing chilies, by growing tomatoes. You can, in a very small area, you can grow those plants which are useful to you, that comes in multiple numbers. So like the chili plant, it requires a very less space and it gives you lot of fruit. You can grow chilies, tomatoes, bhindi, tori, ghiya, karela, bangan, and those plants. So that in a very small space, if you have a very limited space at your house, still you get a lot of output from the plant that you'll grow. And over here, this is the rooftop of my house. So over here, the best thing about this whole where I have grown the plants is haudi, that they say it in Hindi, is that खुला पानी खुली धूप मिलती है यहाँ पे, इसलिए इस तरह की प्लांटेशंस हो रही हैं. खुला पानी खुली धूप खुली हवा, is that what it means? Lots of water, lots of sun, lots of air, and a good care of the plants will give you very good results, as you can see here. Just pan the camera. This is the area. What you get with this organic chilies, they sell in the market at a very expensive rate. There is no chemical that I've used to grow the chili plant. No pesticide, no insecticide, no chemical compost. It's all natural. All natural. If you can hear the sound, this is the sound earlier. When I used to hear the sound, I used to get irritated. But now I have adapted me with this lifestyle at the terrace, everywhere, and I'm waiting for this sound to come, be more loud, and I'll show you why this sound is coming. Morning time is also very pleasant. Today is Saturday morning, and again the Chief Minister of the Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, has requested everyone to stay back at home on Saturdays and Sundays, not to roam around on the roads if you don't have any work to do. And on 5 days from Monday to Friday, you can go to your work. It's a very good decision in this time of what everyone says is like pandemic is there, but you have to keep yourselves healthy and busy all the time. You have all 24 hours in a day, and I think that if you have interests in your life to do anything that excites you, that you are curious about, and you have keen interest to do that, you can do those things very easily and very interestingly, and you have all the day to pursue those things. You can do a language course, you can do a certification course. Everything is online these days, and YouTube is helping us to grow us also, and to learn from YouTube videos also. I will not say that the videos serve the right purpose, but they sometimes they serve the purpose. Some vloggers or some YouTube uploaders have really very good stuff. You just need to be judge yourself to tell you only that if the stuff I'm watching is right or wrong for me. So you have to keep looking for a lot of YouTube videos. There are a lot of stuff. Lot of people from around the world are now uploading their vlogs on the YouTube, and I'm also doing my part to share my experiences in gardening. That's it. The voice is lowered now, but I think it's not going to come what I wanted you to see. I think it has, but there are always surprises in life. You never know what's going to happen. Just be trustful to God and have a faith in Him that He is going to do the best thing for you. Why you have come into this life. There is a God gift in everyone. Everyone has something to achieve in this life. right? So never feel down, that never feel you are alone, you cannot do anything. You can always do something or the other thing.